Alright guys, this is 5 minutes on Watch Dogs, and I just got this at midnight tonight, or last night. Yeah, so let's get started. I'm on a mission right now. Trying to locate somebody. Alright. Seems like none of these are who I'm looking for apparently. Oh, there it is. Okay, got a hacker phone apparently. Alright, listen to our phone call. Hack her niece's phone. Alright. Well, we just picked up a trace, so I guess we're gonna run a car chase. Yeah, cops in this game are pretty difficult. And if you think I'm joking, try it for yourself. Cool thing about this game is you can call your car up about anytime you want. Just press up on the D-pad. Oh, guess I can't do it right now, because I have to go to Cars on Demand. Alright, let's try that again. I think it was just because he was, nope. That was just because that he was getting a phone call, because you can get phone calls inside the game. Well, let's try one more time. If that doesn't work, we're just going to take a car. Yep, here we go. I bet it doesn't call the police, because it's going to suck if he does. We got 24 bucks from the cash in the glove box. Cool. Gonna need that. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm like not a really safe driver inside this game. Ah, crap, I kinda killed myself right there. Oh, whatever. Alright. Yeah, let's drive on this just cause. Alright, now let's go over here. I have to go take out a guy apparently. I forgot why I'm doing it, but I just have to go take out a guy. Oh yeah, I think it's because it's part of like this guy who like killed your like niece's like, or like your sister's son in the game, I think. So yeah, I guess can't go through that. Just killed probably about 3 people, but I don't really care. So let's go take down this guy. We're really close, about maybe a couple seconds away. Oop, just kidding. We just turned about 3 minutes. Yeah, I don't really like inside this game how like circles to climb. It's kind of stupid. Well, this video is about to near to an end in about 20 seconds. Probably gonna make a series on this. I don't know. I mean, Child of Light.